Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of General Knowledge and Current Affairs. It is for people preparing for competitive exams like UPSC, railways and bank exams. I have created this channel to help my friends with new well-researched GK questions. This is not just copy and paste from internet or other sources. I have truly invested with my hard work here. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and to get well-researched general and current affair questions. So please subscribe to my channel, and with this request I move to my question and answer sessions. Tulsa massacre took place in which country? This is my first question. The options are Britain, France, Germany and United States of America. So your time starts now. So the correct answer is that Tulsa massacre took place in United States of America. In this massacre, the black people were killed by the Native Americans, white Americans. So this was a hate crime. This took place in Greenwoods district in Tulsa in Oklahoma state of USA, and this took place in on May 31st and June 1st of 1921. So we'll move to our next question. What is the collective noun for a group of giraffes known as? You have option of bloat, cackle, tower and none of above. So time starts now. So the collective noun for a group of giraffes is known as tower. So the correct answer is the third one, tower. So the group of giraffes are known as a tower. So the other two ones, bloat, it is known a group of hippos are known as a bloat, and group of hyenas are known as a cackle. So let's move to our second other question. Who is the National Security Advisor of USA as of 2021? The answer is Jake Sullivan. The first one is the correct answer, Jake Sullivan. He is the current National Security Advisor of USA as of 2021. Next, let's move to the other one. Which drug is used for a treatment of black fungus? You have four options: amphotericin B, azithromycin, aspirin, none of above. Time starts now. So the drug which is used for the treatment of black fungus is known as amphotericin B, and the correct answer is the answer number 1, amphotericin B. This is a drug which is used for the treatment of black fungus. Let's move to our next question. NASA mission to send humans to South Pole of Moon is known as. First option is Artemis program, second is a Gemini program, third is a Skylab, fourth is a none of above. So time starts now. So the NASA's mission to send humans to South Pole of Moon is known as Artemis program. The answer number 1. This is a correct answer. NASA has planned to send South Pole of Moon. This is an Artemis program. So there's a background to this answer also. That's Lockheed Martin and General Motors are two companies. They are developing lunar vehicle for NASA mission to South Pole. And South Pole is the part of Moon that is not discovered by humans. So the South Pole of Moon is unexplored part of the Moon for humans. So the NASA has sent a mission to explore the unexplored part of Moon that is known as the South Pole. Let's move to our second question. Who is often referred to as a Europe's last dictator? You have option of Roman Prostevich, Alexander Lukashenko, Hitler, and fourth is a none of above. So you can take your time of 10 seconds. It starts now. So the correct answer is that Alexander Lukashenko is considered and is often referred as Europe's last dictator, Alexander Lukashenko. He is a president of Belarus, and recently he was in news for illegal arrest of journalist Roman Petrovich. The first one is Roman Petrovich. He is a journalist in Belarus who was illegally arrested by the Alexander Lukashenko. So he was in news in a recent time also, and he is often referred as Europe's last dictator. So let's move to our other question. Pituitary, the master gland of human body, is located in. First option is the kidney, second is the liver, third is the pancreas, and fourth is the brain. So you take your time. I will let you know the correct answer for it. So the correct answer for the location of pituitary in the human body is the brain. So the pituitary is located in the brain, and it is known as the master gland of the body because it controls the function of many other glands of the body. So it is known as the master regulator or master gland of the body. What was the name of conch of Arjun? Conch is also known as a Sankh in Hindi. So the name of conch of Arjun, you have four options. First is a Poundra, second is a Atirathi, third is a Devdutt, and fourth is a Panjanya. You take your time to think over it. I will let you know the correct answer. So the correct answer of the question is option number third. The name of the conch of Arjun was known as Devdutt. It was named as a Devdutt, and it is the correct answer. So let's move to the second other question. What is the correct name given to the dot on the top of the letter I? You can see the letter I and there is a dot here. So what is the correct name given to the dot on the top of the letter I? So you have to tell the name of this dot. What is this dot known as? So you have four options: a title, a glyph, icon, and none of above. So you take your time of 5 to 10 seconds. I will let you know the correct answer. So the correct answer is the title. The first one is the correct name given to the dot on the top of letter I. It's called as a title. Recently, Bangladesh approved currency swap facility in 2021 with which country? You have four options: Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, and China. You take your 5 to 10 seconds. Bangladesh approved currency swap facility in 2021 with which country? We have four options: Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, and China. The correct answer is Sri Lanka. So the currency swap facility was approved by Bangladesh to boost the economy of the Sri Lanka. So I will advise you to read in detail about the currency swap. What is the currency swap? What does it mean? And so I advise you to read more on it. So with this, my video ends here. I will be happy if you let me know how many answers you got correct in the comment section. I will again request you to please subscribe, share, and like my video. So I will be motivated more to make more videos on GK and to help you in your success. Thank you. Thanks a lot.